VPNs are supposed to make your online life safer. They encrypt your data, hide your IP address, protect your privacy. But here's the catch. Sometimes that same VPN connection can slow things down, or even block things you actually need. So the question becomes, what if you didn't have to choose between security and convenience? That's where VPN split tunneling comes in. Think of it like this. Instead of forcing all of your internet traffic through one secure VPN tunnel, you create two paths, one encrypted and protected, the other direct, fast and using your regular internet connection. You decide how to route your traffic. And if you want to try this VPN feature yourself, scan the QR code or check the link in the description to find VPNs that support split tunneling. How split tunneling works. Normally, when you connect to a VPN, all your traffic is encrypted for online privacy and VPN protection. Everything is routed through a VPN server. Your real IP address is hidden. It's secure, but not always efficient. With split tunneling, you take control. You decide which apps use the VPN, which websites go through the VPN, which traffic connects directly to the internet. Imagine this. You're streaming geo-restricted content while also checking your local banking app. With split tunneling, your streaming apps go through the VPN. Your banking app uses your regular connection. No switching VPN on and off, no interruptions, just smarter VPN protection with better performance. Types of split tunneling. Once you understand how split tunneling improves VPN benefits, the next step is understanding how you can actually use it, because it's not just one setting. There are a few different ways to control your VPN traffic. App-based split tunneling. The simplest option, you choose specific apps. For example, torrent client through VPN. Browser direct connection. Website-based split tunneling. Here you choose specific websites. Some go through the VPN, others use your regular connection. Perfect for mixing local and global access. Inverse split tunneling. This flips the logic. Everything goes through the VPN except what you manually exclude. So instead of choosing what to protect, you choose what doesn't need VPN protection. Why people use split tunneling? Speed and performance. Routing everything through a VPN can slow things down, but split tunneling changed that. Only sensitive traffic is encrypted. Everything else stays fast, perfect for streaming, downloads, and daily use. Local plus global access. This is where VPN benefits become really powerful. You can access local services and unlock geo-restricted content. At the same time, no switching locations, no disconnecting to your VPN. Smart security. Not everything needs full VPN protection, but some things absolutely do. Split tunneling lets you protect sensitive data while keeping other activities simple. Fewer connection issues. Some apps just don't work well with VPNs. Split tunneling solves that. You bypass VPN for those apps, while keeping everything else protected. Want a VPN that makes all this easy? Scan the QR code or check the link in the description to see the best VPNs that support split tunneling. Risk you should know. Even though split tunneling is powerful, it also comes with a few important risks you have to understand. Unencrypted traffic. Traffic outside the VPN is not encrypted. That means it can be exposed, especially on public Wi-Fi networks. Cyber risks. Apps outside the VPN can be vulnerable to malware, phishing, tracking, privacy gaps. Not everything is protected anymore, which can create small privacy gaps. So the rule is simple, only exclude non-sensitive activity. Best VPNs for split tunneling. When it comes to split tunneling, not all VPNs perform the same. The best ones combine strong VPN protection, fast servers, and global coverage, so you get both speed and privacy without compromise. NordVPN. A great all-around choice for most users. Easy split tunneling setup, strong encryption for full VPN protection, fast connection speeds, RAM-only servers for extra privacy. It also runs a massive global network with 9,000 plus servers across 160 plus countries, which helps maintain stable performance and access to geo-restricted content. Works especially well on Windows and Android, where split tunneling is easiest to configure. ExpressVPN. Known for simplicity and consistency. Clean beginner-friendly interface, very stable VPN connection performance, strong balance between speed and privacy. It operates servers in 100 plus countries worldwide, which makes it great for switching regions quickly while keeping your connection smooth. It's especially good if you want a set-it-and-forget-it VPN experience without complex settings. Private internet access. The most customizable option on the list. App-based split tunneling, website-based control, even IP-level routing. It also stands out with one of the largest server networks in the VPN industry, 30,000 plus servers, spread across 90 plus countries, which gives you more flexibility for routing traffic and improving connection options. This makes it ideal for users who want full control over how their VPN traffic is handled. Final verdict. Split tunneling isn't just a feature, it's control over your internet experience. You get better speed, more flexibility, targeted security. But only if you use it wisely. If you want to try split tunneling the right way, scan the QR code or check the link in the description. Once you understand split tunneling, your VPN stops being just protection and becomes a tool you control.